Now I will show how to add some different kind of sorts of datasets, like online sources, and two different ways to add into your project. Let's say we are going to work with the noise modeling dataset. Let's go back to the .ai and let's look for noise. Strategic noise maps. Let's see if this one works. Here, as you can see, we only have these three types of files: CSW, WFS, and WMS. We will go with this type here. Let's see details. And for this kind of source, they will offer us this URL. So we just need to copy this link as it is, the whole link, and let's go back to our QGis. Here in the panel browser, if you not find there in your QGis, just click right click over and look for the browser panel right here. Okay, browser, and here you are as well, you have the option to go to add layer and look for this option. So let's go to WMS here. Okay, as it is a WMS source, as it is indicated here, so we know it's a WMS. Right click over it, ask for a new connection, you set the name you wanna. Let's say here we were looking for noise, right? Let's say noise, copy the URL here. This is it, just okay. When you add the first source, you will see you can expand this option, and what you just added will appear here. And expand again, wait a bit, because it is an online source, so it's loading all the data. Wait a bit, there it appeared, it's APA gel server. Okay, here we can expand it again, and we will have lots of kinds of datasets. Almost all of the datasets we have access when we go to the web map on EPA website. Almost all of them are here, and much more, as you can notice. So this name you can change anytime. It was supposed to be only noise, but that address we pasted came with all the datasets EPA offers. So let's look for the noise options we have. Let's say just the road national, this one, double click, wait for the data load. See, it is loaded. As you can see here, for some reason it came over the bedrock, and I wanna add the road agglomerations as well. Double click, rail, and industry. Airports doesn't reach this area. Let's work with only this a bit. Come back to layers, you will see all the layers you just added loaded here. Let's group them to make it keep it organized. So noise. So we have noise in our maps. I don't wanna the bedrock anymore, just turn it off. We have the noise modeling from the online server. Just create another theme So 3, that's A4. In this example, we are working on a EIA screening record, so this and noise. Okay. It's important to be aware that as these sources are images, as you can see by the symbol here, so there are images over your background image. They have a matter of resolution, so just bear this in mind, and it is online. So being online, it's quite common that the server might be off and you will lose the access to these sources. Okay, that's the disadvantage, but it already comes with the legend set, the symbology set for every layer you add. Let's go to our layout manager. Let's duplicate this last one, set the name of the view we just set, wait for the render, select the map, always remember to do that, select the map and change the view here, wait for the render, all good here, rendered, and let's adjust the legend. Take out these ones, it doesn't matter for this image. Same idea, plus sign, show only the visible ones. In this case, doesn't matter, we don't need to add all of them because the symbology will be the same. So just this one, for example, and we have all the symbology here. We can change the name, noise round 4, LDEN, because we have more than one type, one more layer, and we have the symbology here. Unfortunately, this kind of source have limitations. We can't change the symbology, it will come this way, there's not so much we can do. Even the size of the font, and usually it is a complication, at least on QGis. Well, we can try to adjust better this legend to fit all the items we have here. Just going to spacing, for example, and reducing the spacing from the legend. Here, let's see, these minor details, I find them really important to show some quality to our work, so bear this in mind every time you are working with this kind of project and representations. Okay, it looks like good enough for this example. Now we can export this image. The problem now will be the following. As we have a legend as an image here, because it comes like an image, we can't export straight as an image because it will disappear. It's a problem well known on QGis and it's unsolvable. To solve this, to find a way to export this image, we can come here and export as a PDF. Will be the same idea, and just export as PDF and wait for the rendering, and after it is exported as a PDF, if you wanna have it as an image, from the PDF you can convert back to an image. And here the result, it take a bit to render the PDF as well, but it's done. After the program load the image, you can just export as image again. You can see the legends here. Alright.